Hello, Chef here. A real quick recipe for you. I'm making pork tenderloin, and I'm going to be adding rosemary and pink peppercorn sauce later. The first process, of course, is to clean these pork tenderloins up and remove some of the silver skin. At the same time, I'll probably give them a little bit of a pounding, flatten them out a little bit. But real quickly, here we go. Okay, that's looking good. A little bit of fat right here. Okay, I'm going to take this one and get a little more of this fat off of there. Just going to give this a butterfly like this. Okay, so easy with this razor sharp knife. Open it right up. Oh yeah, what's that look like? Okay. And I'll repeat with the second one. Okay, I've got these babies cleaned and opened up the way I want them. Now I'm going to give them into some portion sizes here. So I'm going to start with this one right here and just flip over my plastic wrap. Thor's hammer. Okay, I've got this about to the portion the thickness I'm looking for, and we're going to go with some small portions like this. Okay, it's looking really good. So for portions, I'm going to be looking for maybe 2 pieces per serving, maybe 3 ounces per portion, just small pieces like this. Okay, that's nice right there. Okay. Nice even pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, real quick marinade for some basic pork. Here we go. I've got about 2 ounces of olive oil. I'm going to be putting about 3 ounces of brandy. I've got a dash of Worcestershire sauce, some sea salt. Peppercorn blend. As well as some rosemary. Let's go with about 2 tablespoons. Okay? So that's my basic marinade for the pork right there. I'm going to be finishing it a little later with some of these awesome pink peppercorns. Just like this, okay? So follow along, this recipe's coming. And I want to let this pork marinate at least a few hours. Get it in here real good like this. Oh yeah. Each piece, succulent, juicy, moist marinade. Oh yeah. That's gonna be good.